driveway?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Dropping now. Right now we're doing about kilometer over. Tag is telling me about 95 clicks probably. 100 clicks. 100 clicks about 2,500.
Oh, smooth.
That's good.
Yeah.
So tell the folks at home, Alan, what this is.
1965 Dodge A100.
We've got a 318 dressed up like a 273.
Yep. 340. Some 340 go fast parts in it.
I've been hoping to get a ride in this for a few years now.
There you go.
That's awesome.
Me too. Well, Todd's known me long enough to know that if I say I had it, I had it that long.
Oh, yeah. How long did Ricky have it?
3 years. 3
Oh,
or
was
4.
that all?
3,
Okay.
maybe 4.
Yep. So you sold it to Ricky?
Yep.
Okay.
Or my dad did.
Okay, and then you regretted it. And
He called me. Said, I'm not going to do nothing with it. You want to buy it back?
Oh, okay. That was good of him.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there's Lindsay.
I love the red tint that you use too.
Yeah.
All right, boys.
Cool.
Thank you much.
Thanks, Al.
Thanks for coming down, eh?
Hey, no problem. You're heading home to get out.
It worked out pretty good, really.
Huh?
It worked out good. Rain stopped and
Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad we came up. It was just shitty weather in St. John, so we left the cool stuff there.
well, yeah, exactly.
This truck is awesome anyway.
Thanks again.
See you tomorrow. See ya. Thanks, man.
Oh, that's a blast.
That's a cool truck.